Hey y'all, welcome back. This is your girl Ashley. Back at it with another unboxing video. Today we have the Crosstour Dash Cam. Okay. I purchased this off of Amazon for $79.99. And of course I Prime, so 2-day shipping. Okay, so this is how it looks when you first open the box. Once again, this is the Crosstour Dash Cam, GPS dual car camera. Okay, let me show you how to look at it. Okay, this is a 1080p camera, the front-facing camera, and then the inside camera has two cameras. Is 720p. It has DVR recording with a 2.4-inch screen. Okay. It has let me just get closer and show it better. It has night vision, parking mode, motion detection, G sensor, and loop recording. And then is it this side? Right here is where you would put the micro SD card, which is not included. And just to go back, the G sensor is basically, it means that the camera will lock the current video that's recording when there's like a sudden collision or shake, and that recording can't be overwritten even by loop recording. So that's a good feature to have. So that's the camera there. Oh, I don't know. Hope you guys can see that closer. It's a USB HD out and TV out. Okay. Alrighty. That's the first box. Let's see what is included. These are the accessories. Oh, and inside the box it also comes with a user manual and a thank you so much in advance contact card, I believe. If you need to contact them. That probably is not going to show up. Ooh. Well, anyways, you don't need to read it in detail, but that's what that card is. Okay. So in this baggie, we have a suction cup. So, assuming this will go on here. Okay. I don't want to force it, but okay, yeah, it goes on. Oops, I turned it on. So I don't know if you guys, this is the, wait, can you see me? No, I don't know. But anyways, let me turn this off. So yeah, so this is the suction cup, and I'm pretty sure you would just place this on the window and it will hang like so. Okay. And we have a USB charger cable. These are the 3M adhesive pieces that you get, 2 of them. And then this is the adhesive mount. So if I was to remove the suction one, that noise is because I keep turning it on. I must be touching the power button. But it turns on, but you won't be able, obviously, to record or take pictures until you have a card in it. So this is the section one, and you would place it either maybe on your dash. No, it won't work on your dash. It will have to be on your window once again, because you wouldn't be able to put it on your dash and have it, or you could have it on your dashboard and have it suction. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is probably, yeah, to suction it right on your dashboard. Either way, whatever works for you. And then you have the car charger. This cord looks pretty long, which is good because I guess if it has to reach to it, if it's placed on the window. And that's everything. So once again, this is the Crosstour Dash Cam GPS dual camera for $79.99 on Amazon. So feel free to go check that out, guys. Okay. And like I said, some of the features is night vision, parking mode, motion detection, G sensor, and loop recording. And once again, the SD card, the micro SD card is not included. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thank you again for watching this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.